Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. Showed this video before. It's a B40-8W, whatever it is, 32CH Amtrak number 508. I did the weathering, added the tsunami sound, and then he wanted the marker lights, so I had to put the marker lights on afterwards. But why don't we take a look at this guy? There you go. And then I'm just gonna move this guy forward quickly just to show the rear ones. This guy over. Go. Reverse. And those operate independent of one another. So both can be on, both can be off, or either permutation. Okay, good. I'm not going to run through the whole video. I just wanted to show the lighting. Thought that was pretty cool. Alright? Talk to you guys later. Bye.